Hello everyone. Today's nature documentary will be animated because it can be. Anyway, today we are visiting the natural habitat of a sword and shield. So this is the natural habitat. They also live on beaches. The things that they hunt in the beaches are usually just fish, like goldfish or tropical fish, stuff like that. But to get these fish, they have to be good swimmers, and as you can see, they are. I teleported it right over there. I think I accidentally deleted the sword and shield in this scene, but anyway, I was just gonna say, alright, let's go back to the forest. So in the forest, usually, they hunt for rabbit. Gubby, what are you doing here?
Everything's great. Everything's great.
Okay. Alright, I guess they hunt gubbies as well.
I'm still trying to track down the stuff from Matt.
So for anyone wondering,
Try to get that.
here is the anatomy, or skeletal structure of a sword and shield.
And then I had just a strategic question for you. I just want to bounce off.
Yeah, no, it isn't much, but
So
the reason why
maybe it's an
that
unpopular
image
thing or whatever, but
doesn't
our team is not working with the local
have
community
any
and the leader here.
the sword in there is because when they're born, because so many people throw swords into the forest, they gain the swords when they're born.
You can see that their messages are really the committee and the leaders are really the ones driving their campaign.
So
I just
humans
wanted to
actually
see
support
is
these
that
animals.
something that we should be leaning into and trying to create a disadvantage or show that we're it's really just the three
Oh
of us
wait,
running our campaign.
and you might think that
Political machines running
the skin of it is just like any other animal, like
into that. Maybe this is
it's either furry or
wanted to bounce it off.
scaled, but no,
See if you had any ideas.
it's literally just complete metal. So anyway, that's really it for today's nature documentary. Bye, guy. Oh, hey, it cut me. Oh shit, I forgot to group this.
Maybe I'm saying the same.
Hey, it cut me.
I see we have our democratic committee, we're not working with them or with Laura.
So anyway, goodbye, guys. I know this video was kind of a short one, but it's only because there was one animal. So yeah, goodbye, guys. Bye.